Yo, we here to kill it again, bro. It's cranking up right now. I've been on the charts. We're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a day. All right, so I'm looking right now at. I'm looking at the 30-second. Real quick. Let me see what you got. What screen do I have up? I got on YM. Let me share it. YM got a sweep of a POI right now. I mean, NQ has a sweep of a POI right now. NQ. But that's on the 30-second. I'm not going to switch over because I want to hold on to the 1 minute. The 1 minute uh, is setting up, looks to be possibly. Just want to slow down for a second, see what's going on. 1 minute on the YM is doing nothing. Okay. I'm going to go back to 30-second. 30-second is showing bullish. The 30-second is showing bullish. I'm also watching 3 minute. 3 minute. Let me make sure we got sound stuff too. Yeah, there we go. All right, so um, we're gonna have a great trading day today. I also got silver and gold doing something right now. I'm checking on it to see if my entry is confirmed real quick before I do anything. I'm also watching at YM. I might pull a trigger on that YM, but as of right now, I'm looking at entry on gold. So 918, 918. Yeah, I got a entry at 918 on 918 candles wick. So I'm waiting for SMT at that low between either gold, silver, or copper. And copper is already sitting down there. It most likely will be the one this week. All right. So let's see what the open gives us. And I'm going to watch heavily on that because gold may take its way back up. And I will pull the trigger on it if I see the strategy. I'm still watching NQ for this entry. And it looks like it wants to give it to us right now. This is right before market open too. I don't want to do that, dude, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna take a buy and I'm gonna put my stop loss at the lows, dude. I got 2 contracts on something small. We're gonna get another. We're gonna do another opportunity. So uh, in this trade currently, here it goes right here, right here. Apex count right here. You got stop loss below these lows. Too far right there. Let me come up a little bit more. I mean, market could come up and down and sweeping, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna let that sit there on the run. I'm targeting these highs right here. I may trail it out to give the market room to breathe, but this trade went straight into profit as of right now. I might just take one off. I really want to wait for market. I just saw it setting up to see if it will hold. I mean, it's not a big deal. This is with the strategy. Uh, every part of it was part of the strategy. So uh,
Stop filled.
I got out with one. I'm gonna leave one running. I want to target these highs up here, but I'm waiting for gold as well this morning. Uh, I'm trying to find another setup on NQ and ES. So I'm sure they're going to give it to us. They're not going to not give it to us. I promise you. And honestly, if anybody's on here, I will be trading gold. Gold just swept below. Copper just swept below my point of interest. I might pull the trigger on this gold here in a second to get in buys. So I don't usually trade gold on stream because it's a lot of back and forth on these charts. I only have 3 screens, so but I will glance back and forth at it based on this. I have to click share tab and all that stuff. So I may look at it. I'll pull it up if it's going slow enough for me to show it. So, but let's target these highs right here. Hold the stop loss. Market is about to open in 3 minutes. This shit shot up. I should have held the other one. All right, now I'm going to break even, bro. I don't even want it to come back to my break even point. All right. High. Well, hit my damn hit my TP, bro.
Stop filled.
I'm out. This was the highs I was targeting. Of course, it could keep going, and I'm sure it probably will a little bit more. But market is just opening, so I'm expecting big candles. So let's see how they want to play it this morning. ES hit all-time highs yesterday. I'm expecting NQ to hit all-time highs maybe today. That would have been a good hold on that trade. I mean, I could have, but it is what it is. I'm going to wait for something good for today. It usually happens during the first macro or the second macro. So let's see how they want to play it. Just got to close above this one. Just got to close above that in order for me to take it. All right, buys on the table, still for gold. I was just glancing over at it. All right, so NQ 3 minutes, not doing nothing. It's on the EMA. Check the 3 minute on YM. It's on the EMA, and that shit kept going. That's cool. I'm fine with that. I'm still working on holding. Absolutely. Let me see if we can find this trade, bro. See if we can find this trade. I want to catch this guy during gold trade, dude. It's about to gold might be taking off here in a second. Let's see how they want to play it, dude. All right, market's opening right now. I got 9:30 candle open. So let's see if they want to go to Pluto this morning, first thing. We also have news at 10 o'clock. So news at 10. Let's see if we can get these gold buys first thing as well, dude. That'd be awesome. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we probably should have held that first one. They're gonna give us another chance though. We could have held that first one. I really gotta learn to hold these trades, dude. It's scary holding these bitches going in profit, dude. And I'm still getting over that. slowly but surely. That's a battle that I am fighting internally, but uh, eventually we're gonna win. Eventually we're gonna win that battle. We're gonna be able to hold these trades, and if they come back on us, then it is what it is. So uh, we're gonna we could have caught that one yesterday for a long run. Got out too early. Um, Monday was a fantastic trade. I took one this morning. Matter of fact, I took two this morning. So um, three minutes. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute real quick. I'm still watching YM go astronomically to the moon right now. That's cool. Let's see how to do it, dude. All right. One minute. 1 minute. That's what's going on. Let me check the 30-second over here. 30 seconds. 30-second has a has the 145 setting up right now to the downside. I'm still watching gold for a possible entry to the buy side. Let's see what they want to do. So it looks good. Everything is real slow right now. So I like that. So I can really catch and pay what's going on. Close attention to it. Um, we're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a good day. Drink some of the lemon water. And yeah, I could have held that one trade though. I mean, but what do you do? 932 could have been a possible buy entry. Yep, that's not a part of my system though. I do see ICT stuff a little bit. Uh, I just try to stay away from it because the strategy doesn't require me to know breaker blocks or anything. I mean, I can identify them, but they don't. They bear no strength or weight on trading the strategy. So let me check over gold. I don't want gold to take off without me. All right, so they're coming. It's still not doing anything yet. I ain't had a change in state on copper. Copper swept the low that I was interested in on my POI, and I'm waiting for a closure above any displacement to take a buy on gold. So, but I will call it out on the screen, and then I'll try to flip over and show you what I was looking at. But we're going to take a live trade every day here, and it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. I'll put some of my opinions and stuff on the charts as far as what I know. Their strategy is very, 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 very proficient. Very proficient. It is the best thing I've ever seen, and the best thing I've ever tried on the charts. I mean, it led me. Everything else led me to this point. So I'm looking at the 30-second, dude. 30-second is coming back into my EMA again on NQ. I mean NQ and ES. YM is going I don't know where YM is going. I can't look at YM right now. They're just not doing anything. So with that being said, we're going to look at NQ coming to our EMA right now. Here we go. So I'm going to put it on the screen. There. Oh, it's already on the screen. Okay. Boom, coming into our EMA right now. That's on the 1 minute. It's also in the EMA on the 30-second, as well as ES on the 30-second is in there. So let's pay close attention to this one right here, because they may want to come down, bro. And then let me glance at the 3 minute really quick. You got the 3 minute on there too as well now. The 3 minute on the EMA right here. All right. What about no? ES is not there. So let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's see if they want to give us something good, bro. We got news at 10. I'm not going to jump the gun. Within reason. Within reason. I'm not going to over leverage or anything. I'm going to play the strategy the way I see it. And every time it happens, even no matter what's going on, I think news carries it in the direction of the which way the strategy is pointing in. So I'm gonna go based off that. You got S&T on the lows. Uh, 10-minute cycle. Let's see how they want to play it. Double check gold real quick. All right. I think I'm about to get in gold buys right now. Yeah, stop loss goes below the 937 candle. Let's see if we can get in there. Maybe this is the right one. Maybe it's not. I'm going to try it out. I got 2 buys on 2 contracts. Stop loss goes below the low. Risk is $5 per contract ish. Oh, it went to the moon, dude. Oh, damn, that was a good call. That's a good fucking call right there, dude. Damn, we got in just in time. Let's see if it comes back down. I don't want it to come back down, but god darn, it's shot up real quick, dude. I'm still gonna put my stop loss at the lows and give it time to run. That's a good trade right there, bro. Let me show you. Goddamn shit. Look. This candle. I'm in this right now on gold. It just printed this candle right here as I got in. So let's see if that wants to go. And hold up there. Here's the where is it at? Here's the trade that I'm in these liquid charts account. Liquid charts. So that's the trade right there running. Got 2 contracts on both of them. Let's see, one is $6, other one is 6. So it's contract. I'm about to hold these bitches. If it gets to 20, I'm gonna move these bitches to break even, and that's a wrap. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna move. I'm gonna take one of them off. No, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna leave it exactly where it is. No, I'm gonna trust this narrative. This is what I got to work on. I got to work on trusting my my strategy a little bit more. I know it works. I mean, we can see that it works every day here. We see it work. It's just I don't know. It's something internal, you know. It is what it is. But that was a good freaking trade. If it comes back and knocks me out, I'm good. I'm not trailing it. I want to see if it can hold and go up. So we're going to let gold do its thing. I'm not going to move the stop loss for about maybe 15, 20 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't come back and kick me out. We do have news. So I should be careful. Matter of fact, I'm going to take off one just because we do have news. All right. So I'm going to let that ride. And then let me go back over to NQ. All right. So NQ is coming into my EMA currently. And YM and ES are doing absolutely nothing. So there is no plays yet to be found, except for the one we just caught on gold. It all happens around the EMA. So I probably should have held that first one, but it's okay. We're gonna get to it, bro. We're gonna get to it. I'm sure they're about to go up. I'm sure they're about to still go up because all signs are pointing up. So NQ is probably gonna take the all-time highs, maybe today or tomorrow. I don't know. It ain't that far from it. I'm sure. I haven't looked up there in a while, so let's see what it looks like real quick. Let's do it on the 3 hour. All right. So on a 3 hour, no, they got a good ways to go to get up to all time highs on the 3 hour, dude. That's, I mean, I ain't saying they can't do it, but that's a lot. I mean, considering this is this week right here, they could finish it off this week if they really wanted to, but whatever. It is what it is. So let's go back down to the 3 minute. So we can get a good execution on this bitch. Let's see how gold is doing real quick. News coming in. Yeah, it's still holding. I mean, as of right now. All right, let me take a look at copper and silver real quick. Oh, they're coming down, dude. Don't come down right now. You know we got news coming up, but geez, dude. Oh man, they got me back down now. It's all right. I ain't well, like I said, I'm holding the stop loss, so it's only a $3 play. $3 play. That's all it is. So I'm only risking $3 to make goddamn fucking 50. I mean, who who got odds like that on that streaming live? That's for sure. Not to compare, but there ain't nobody. Mm-mm. I should add another one. 946. I'm gonna add another contract. I'm gonna add another, and then I'm gonna put the stop loss in the same place. And it's going back up. Oh, that is SMT. I could actually use that, bro. Man, I might add one more. Let me add one more, dude. Um, yeah, that's that one. They knock it out. They knock it out, bro. But this is how it looks. They always get one more sweep coming in on the low of that I originally get in on. I should risk $10 on this motherfucker. We still got news coming out, dude. So I'm gonna just be careful. I'm not gonna add no more than 3. But as of right now, everything is pointing up on gold. As of right now, everything is pointing up on. Hold on, we got a 30-second coming into our EMA on in Q right now. Let's see what they want to do. Now they're going up. News is coming out here in about 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Gold, boo boo. All right, I'm out. That's an $8 loss on gold. Had 3 contracts. Okay. All right, on to the next. You can trail out on these contracts here, bro. But it is what it is. Damn, I want to see the 3-minute load up, man. That'd be freaking awesome to see the 3-minute load set up a trade for the week. All right. I got nothing. We're gonna wait for news. We're not gonna rush nothing. And we're freaking chilling, brother. Chilling. Let me take a look at this little 3-minute 6-minute real quick. Nothing. I'll stay on the 3. 3 got nothing but a tap at the bottom here. That's nothing. 1 minute 30-second got something coming in on ES. So we're gonna sit tight for a second. 3 minutes not doing anything just yet. Let me take the 1 minute. Definitely watching the 30-second, bro. Oh, this shit might be going down right now. Let's see what they're going. Oh, snap! There we go. Okay. They're moving quick. Let me pay attention. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 30-second. We got SMT on the highs. We got candle closers here. We got 30. Let's see. Yeah, we're lining out right now. Let me finish doing this real quick. Uh, they swept these 30-second lows on ES. I just want to be careful real quick. Let's see if they want to really take this down real right now. And I want to be real careful and be very selective. 48.30 is the candle. 48.30 is the candle. So that's a red candle. This one right here. Boom. All right. So YM is coming up to it, and that's on the 30-second. Hasn't swept it yet. High is 690. High is 690. It did come equal to. So we're looking for a closure back below the volume imbalance to take sales, bro. Let's see if it works out. Because we just got a sweep for 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock lows by ES. Very careful. Very careful. ES is, YM is going up still. I'm looking at points of interest not being hit yet on ES and Q currently. I'm tracking YM very closely at the moment, really. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. All right. I'm waiting for a closure past the volume imbalance to take these sales on Q room. Let's see if they want to give it to us. We still got news coming out. I'm going to be careful. I'm not going to load up contracts or anything. Matter of fact, we got it setting up on the 30-second again. This is twice. This one looks way better though if this works out. And it's going to the top side. And that's where we want to go anyway. So all right. So I got something on the 30-second. I'm gonna keep track on it. I want to be bullish. Let me see if they want to give it to us. We're still waiting. We got news coming out. Candles are moving relatively quickly, bro. Let's see what they want to do. I need an ATT low. Advanced time technique. ATT, advanced time technique. Let me see something. 56, that's 11, 2. It might go from here, dude. I can't pull the trigger on it. It's not my parameters are not in place. I can't pull the trigger on it. It's got a shit. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, it gave it to me, bro. I'm gonna put 2 on it. I know we got news coming out. All right, stop loss is going below the 954 candle for me. It's currently up $100 already. I mean, so limit. But like I said, we got news coming out. I'm only putting uh 2 contracts on. I'm not gonna do nothing astronomical. I got this going up though, bro. This is where it's supposed to go from. If it's gonna go from anywhere, but you know what they can do with news. So here's the Apex. I didn't take it on my live account because of news, because they can do that stupid fuckery. But it's up 140. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna let it come. This is an intraday account, so um, let me get out of that contract. Let me do the 2 contracts. Um, and they still probably will give us another opportunity, dude. And this might be the one that keeps running all day. So um, I'm gonna trail one just because of news, and I'm gonna leave the other one at break even. And that's a wrap for that right there, bro. This account, this is a 250K account. I got to get $15,000 on this motherfucker to pass it. So uh, let's see how they want to do it, dude. They might want to run the lows one more time, which is cool. At that point in time, if they do, I will take it on my live account. So let's see if they want to run it one more time real quick. That would be the 9:52 a.m. candle. 9:52 a.m. candle. 9:52. There goes news. They kicked me out. That's cool. I already knew it was about to happen. Uh, let's see. I got to sweep over the lows again on NQ. We could still quite possibly be going back up, dude. 10 o'clock candle. If we get a closure back above the volume imbalance, I think this one closed 840, 875, open 48. If we get a closure back above the volume imbalance at the top of this 1 minute chart right here. I'm looking at the 30-second, but there's a volume imbalance up here at the top on the 30-second. If it closes back above it, and that's a huge candle, bro. If it goes back up then closes, I'm gonna have to enter a contract, and the stop loss is gonna be bigger than normal, so I'm gonna have to drop my limit down. So um, these people know what they're doing. But if it closes back up there, it's worth at least 3 contracts, I would say. That would give a good run. I'm looking for at least a 1 to 5 on return. So let's see if they want to give it to us, bro. I'm looking also. Let me 1 minute still. It's doing nothing. Uh, slowing down. I don't see anything. We're gonna hold on. Let's let news play out real quick. They got the macro going on right now. So the macro for me lasts until 10:17. 10:17. This chart right here. I'm waiting for a closer above the gap. We got a gap up here. Right here at the beginning candles. I'm not saying it's going back up there, but um, we still may be potentially going up from here. It's still a possibility because there's another low that hasn't got swept by ES yet. So let's see if ES wants to sweep that low. I'm also looking at the 1 minute coming into the 144. 1 minute coming into the 144 on ES and NQ. All right. YM has not broken my low on the 30-second chart yet. Is there any other points of interest? There might be another point of interest at the top of the 1002 candle. I got a volume imbalance, overlap. Buys are still potentially on the table here. See if they want to give it to us, bro. Gap down, swept the low. Yeah, buys are on the table here, bro. Let's see what they want to do. I'm watching NQ real close right now. I need to closure this candle on the 30-second, and I'm in buys possibly. Let me see what they want to do. I'm waiting for a closure above. Let's see. Nope, they gave me a red candle. All right, so let's hold on for a second. Let's hold on for a second, dude. I'm still looking at. I'm going to go to the 1 minute real quick. That's you guys are still on the 1 minute because I got you on. I'm still looking at this low right here. This low is important right now, and we have time in the macro for to play out in our favor. It looks to be pretty good if they drop it down. We still got buys on the table here though. Don't be confused. I'm waiting for a closure above a certain wick right now for these buys. I think that's it. I'm gonna take 2 contracts. No, 4 contracts. Nope, I lied. I'm taking fucking 6 contracts right now, bro. Stop loss below the lows. Below the lows. All right. Stop loss 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got 8 contracts on right now, bro. Okay. Let's see if they want to let this motherfucker hold. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna have to be good with either way, bro. I mean, that's what it is. So let's see how they want to play it. Because it's at a 144. It's at a real crucial place. I took this based on the 30 seconds. So um, I got us going to at least these highs right here at the minimum, but whatever. At least these sides. Hopefully, that's an opinion, but we've been pretty right the past couple of days. So let me show you that I am currently um we're floating right now. I got 8 contracts on, dude. I mean, and that's pretty hefty based on where it is. I got my stop loss at the bottom. Now that's pretty hefty for 8 contracts, but it is what it is. That right now would be probably roughly $600, maybe ish. That might be too much. I ain't gonna lie to you. Here, let me. I'm gonna take one of them off here. Hopefully, then leave the other 3. Hopefully, if it gives us some big ass green candles. There we go. I'm gonna let that ride right there, and I'm gonna move these up. All right, so I got 6 contracts on right now, currently. I don't want to see it come back down here. I want to see this shit ride out for the day. I had 8, and 8 was a little too heavy for me, but we're up currently $600 on this contract. Only 6 contracts. So the trade itself was good. It was based on a 30-second. I'm at least targeting these highs on the 30-second. And this is an intraday drawdown account, so it is what it is. It hit me out of 2 of them. I got 2 left. Shit, they want to run it up. I'm out. Boom. That's cool. That's cool. So see what they want to do with this right here. I might re-enter if it turns green. Yeah, I'm back in 6. Yeah, that's a continuation. That they want to go green, bro. Unless I'm just misreading. That's cool, but I still got us going up, dude. Let's see how they want to do it. Cause ES swept the highs yesterday, so today's Wednesday. They could be ready to rock and roll down, bro. And I'm not gonna sit here and say they're not gonna be, but and I might have pulled the trigger on that wrongfully right there. But we'll see if they want to go up there. 812 is ATT time. Hopefully that holds. We got an 810 low. We got an 812 low. This looks good to go up, bro. But I mean, you can't never tell with these people. Dang, go and check out, dude. Yep, they sure did. That should hell that trade. Absolutely. But it's okay. Let's see if this one right here wants to hold up. We're gonna hold this one and see how it goes. And then we'll go about my day. Everything to the strategy played out. Oh shit, this shit played out on the 30-second too, man. Um let's see. Is that gonna hold? Uh Everybody went above it. So all right. Let's let's see if we can get out of one of these damn things, dude. Uh we're gonna wait for this 3 minute possibly macro. I mean the direction is up, so right now, bro. So I'm not gonna jump the gun on it. Uh I got fuck. I gotta take these days as they go. Fuck it. It is what it is, dude. This is the proper stop loss for it right here. Proper stop loss. Yeah, that's a bad candle right there. Um, it's okay. I'm still looking, bro. I mean, here's what it is. I'm willing to risk this 500 on the straight. So my original stop loss is down low. I should have held on where it was. This low here is 1016. That's a pretty decent candle down there. I don't know if that's gonna freaking hold, but I mean, it is what it is. I got him sweeping low possibly one more time, but who knows? Waiting. What do you guys want to do? Like they want to sweep the low. Trying to do. See what's what real quick. I don't see anything. Yeah, I can't do anything with that. Let's see here. Yeah, there you go. They're gonna sweep this low again. Possibly the 1004 low. Yeah, I'm out. That's cool. I mean, if it give me another opportunity, I will get back in on the 1004 low. Let's see. I need somebody to close up under it. I don't know how this is gonna play out, bro. Because why am I already swept that low, dude? Let me see. Shit. Okay. Uh, they're showing they goddamn want to go down right now, dude. Um, hold on, hold on. They even haven't given the full confirmation yet. If this candle closes there, we'll have a full confirmation. So I'm gonna pick out my PSP right now. Let's see if it holds. Green candle. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna need a sweep of the 10, 20, 30 candle to take these sales. Let's see if they want to do it. Let's see if they want to do it, dude. Otherwise, I have to wait for the 3 minute. I don't see anything on the 1 minute as of right now. So, and even if they keep going, they got to come back and get it. So, today, I don't know about today, but they should be getting that right now. They're usually pretty good about coming to get that kind of POI. So, man, I messed that gold trade up, dude. It's all right. All right. My drawdown is 54.16. We dropped like $500 on that motherfucker today. No, 600, something like that. All right, so let's go ahead and let's share this tab. All right, now we're waiting for a sweep of the 1040, 1020 candle. Let's see who sweeps it. I'm waiting for it to happen on the 30-second. If not, we're going up. We're going to see if everybody breaks it. It looks to be like everybody wants to break it right now. Everybody's wicked through it already. I'm looking at closures now. I don't know what low they swept, or if I can't see that far on the 30-second. So as of right now, ES has closed above and wicked above. And YMS closed above and wicked above as well. So sales might be on the table. Let's see if I can get a change in the state of delivery on ES. I'll take the sell on NQ. That's if it doesn't close up there above that high. And if it does, that means we're still going up. Yeah. They just closed above the high and wicked above it, brother. So we're about to be coming into the next macro as well. So they kicked me out of the trade that we were in just to go back up. Let's see what they want to do. Let's see what they want to do. So I got a setup possibly forming right here on NQ. Man, they might hold up, dude. 18. They're running some trickery right now, guys. Yeah, they're doing some real trickery. Let's see if they want to pull something different out right now. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what's about to happen right now, though. They're doing something real different. I'm looking at this right here also on 30-second. It's high right here, but they're showing they want to freaking go down, dude. On the 1 minute, right here on the 1 minute. If this closes below this and this, oh yeah, it just closed below that. Is there a volume imbalance right there? There is a volume imbalance right there, bro. All right. So with that being said, they're bearish. Unless they shoot up through the top right now, they're freaking bearish, bro. Let me find my PSP real quick. So that Jesus Christ, dude. I don't see anything. Yeah, it kind of showed it on the 1 minute, but it was different on the 1 minute when they showed it, dude. I should just pull the trigger every time I see it, regardless of the times that play out. This is what it's showing me. The times don't even freaking matter with this strategy. So we just missed that. Not to say that it's over. So let's go to the 3 minute. Oh, 3 minute is setting up, dude. Hold up. That's cool. Shit, I ain't fucking tripping. Let's go. Let's set the 3 minute up. They might run this during the next macro. Let's go on up to the time frames, my brother. Let's go on up to the time frame. This right here. And we get a closure below this, and then another 3 minute candle down. That can be our fair value gap. Where's London low at? Where's London low? London low is a ways away. They're going to get London lows right now, bro. And then they're going to come back and get a precision swing point, I bet. Let's see. Or they could just turn around at London lows and come back up for the highs. Let's see what they want to do. You got to think we're coming into the second macro. So boom, boom, boom. Came through my line here. Oh, yeah, we're about to have a good trade, bro. Regardless of what in the first one. It's cool. All right, so close. All right, new plan. Let's get it. 3 minute got it set up. I have a PSP on. Well, it's got to close first, but this is going to be the PSP because it's green on YM. So since it's green on YM, we got to use the same candle. And I got to be aware that we're coming into London lows. And then we have Trump doing this thing at this afternoon, whatever time. It's green over here. 1030 is green over here. Um, I'm looking at gold real quick, bro. All right, so we coming into London's low still. We haven't got down there yet. Hold on for a second. Let me finish this up. All right. Real quick, let me finish one thing. I gotta switch over and go real quick. I'm not gonna switch over charts. I was just checking out some levels real quick. All right, so NQ, we got displacement. It's through this low right here. This is the low that we're targeting through. We got a volume imbalance right here at the 1024 and 1027 candle on the 3 minute. So let's see him attack this London low real quick, bro. It's not that far away. And ES is setting up with a low on the line as well right now. So let's see which one they're going to use. Let's see which one they're going to use. Yeah, close pass. So if I get a closure on YM at the volume imbalance down low, I will go ahead and take the sell line in Q. Yeah, I don't think they're coming back up there, dude. Yeah, I think I'm about to take these sales, guy. As soon as YM closes. Matter of fact, I'm going. I'm going now. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna put 2 minis on it. I didn't get my closure yet, dude. I jumped the gun on it, kind of, sort of. But we're gonna try it out. 2 minis might be too much. It is what it is. I'm gonna take one off if it goes in profit. Yeah, I just took one off. It's in profit now. It's still going. I'm targeting London lows. I'm in this right now with a mini. I don't want the start loss to be there. I took one off already. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna trail this aggressively. Hopefully, they don't come back and kill me out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. And I didn't get the closure on YM 3 minute either. So it's like, what do you do? It'll probably keep going to London's lows. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not really tripping. Let me take a look at my other contracts real quick. Oh, see, gold wants to come down. I think gold might be ready to come down, bro. Let's see. We're waiting to see. We still want to close on this 3 minute down below to see if I can get into these sales. Um, this is what I'm looking. Well, I'm looking at it on YM in order to get into it, but YM has to close up under the 1030 candle on the 3 minute. Yeah, we still waiting for this 3 minute closure on YM, bro. I can't do anything until they. I got to make sure they're going down. I mean, we can assume, but I'm not going to assume that they're going to go down. They're going to close at it though. Let me see how much time left on this clock. 32 seconds. Yeah, they're probably going to close past it. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and get ready to pull this trigger. Oh, it went back up, dude. I'm gonna show you right here. You see what I'm looking at right here. This volume imbalance right here. This gap down from 1027 to 1030. That volume imbalance right there. If I get a closure below that, I'll take a sell on NQ. Take a glance over here to 6 minute real quick. They're coming into the 6 minute hot on ES and NQ. And I like to see that. I'm looking at the pattern happen right now on ES. It looks like sales coming in. 1033 candle. Let's see if they want to give it to us. 3 minute holds more weight than the 1 minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and gauge my shit off of that. That candle is the 1033 candle. This red over here. All right. Horizontal. 1033. And it's green over here on NQ. I'll show it over here. But I gotta switch back to see right there, green. I'll switch back over if I need to get in a trade. But that's what I'm looking at. This high right here. Let's blow it up. Boom, 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 boom. So I need somebody to sweep that high before I can do anything. If they go sweep London lows before they sweep this high, they're coming back to get that. So I'm looking at that same candle on YM as well. I will take this sell if they close below this volume imbalance, like I stated before, though. I run the risk of them coming up to this high, though. So let's just be aware of that. So I'm only gonna put on a limited amount of contracts. Let me see how much time we got left on the clock to take this trade. 3 minutes, 7 seconds. They have not closed past it unless it drops down immediately. At that point, I'm expecting them to take this high. And they could just keep closing through it. So let's see what they want to do. I'm not gonna assume right now we are in the macro. Let's not be confused about that. And we still got London lows down there. So let me see something real quick. Hold on. Everybody's back above it. All right. Gold is about to go up. So that's the 1042 candle. 1042 candle. So 1041 candle it is. All right. So we haven't got a sweep yet of that line above. And I'm waiting for it. YM is currently on its way up there. NQ is not where ES is rising. NQ, you can see where NQ is. Okay, now we got to sweep through on the 3 minute. On the 3 minute. I need a closure above the actual body. Let's see how much time we got on the clock real quick. 1 minute. 1041 candle. 1041 candle. All right. You're not going to miss this gold trade. They want to go up. So I got gold on standby. I need a closure on YM right now to close above this high right here. And then we can take sales on the way back down to London lows. That's a 3 minute candle right there. I'm going to jump down to the 1 minute for the entry. So it's probably got about 20 seconds before it closes, if it does close there. And NQ fails. And also ES failed as well as of right now. Let's see if we can get a change in the state of delivery for sales before NQ or ES can break it. And we should be going to target London lows, bro. That should do it. But it's got to close above. It can't just wick above, bro. So we're gonna have to wait for another candle. So that ain't part of the rules. That is not part of the rules. Not part of the rules. So we got to follow the rules. And that's what we're going to do. This one I will take on a live account because we're in the macro. I'm a little more free flowing with this Apex account, with my live account. This is a 3 minute change in state of delivery. We should be going down. If they can sweep that high, this high right here. The open of this red candle. This is very specific. The opening of this red candle needs to be closed above. It needs to create a volume imbalance down on the 1 minute and close below the volume imbalance on the 1 minute before NQ can do it or ES can do it. So let's see if they want to give it to us. This is a 3 minute candles. So current candle has about 1 minute and 35 seconds left on it. So, but this is all we do. We wait for candles to do whatever they're gonna do. Okay, so we got NQ breaking above right now, which is not good for the sales, but it's okay. Let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna figure it out. We got ES going back above currently. Let's see what they want to do first. It can go up there. It just can't close above there. ES or NQ. One or two have to fail. I'm also watching the EMA again. This play is still on the table. Still see somebody to close up there, and we also need somebody to fail. I didn't take it on the live account. So I'm about to take the trade on gold for the live account. I'm gonna need closures and stuff. So I mean, it is what it is. Okay, we got it closed. I'm gonna get into gold right now. Top talk says below the low on gold currently. We're gonna let it roll. $5 for that one. Let's run the TP up a little bit higher. Let's see. Hold on for a second. Let me set these stop losses on this gold trade real quick. I don't have the charts up. It came up all of a sudden. Hold on for a second. It's currently up. The play carried itself out. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. Let me show it to you real quick. All right. So gold. I had this. Let me show you. It's up $20 right now currently. This shit is accurate, bro. I don't give a fuck who trading. This shit right here on gold. Check it out. See this line right here? This line was found based on the S&T and based on my 144 EMA. So all my entries are taken on the 144 EMA. As you can see, the same line right here is the same thing on the other chart. This is copper. So copper swept the low and it closed back above a volume imbalance, which is these two candles right here. So I trade based off of volume imbalances and this EMA right here. When it does certain shit happens. And I figured out a good way to counteract. Oh shit. Let me close this out. I'm out of the trade. I was in NQ trades a second ago. It's down 97. I want to get out of it though. But uh it kicked me out of one sell off. Back to gold. I'm sorry. Where is it? Let's see if it can continues to go on gold. So it is continuing up. It's up right now, currently. Let me tell you how I'm currently in. You can see where I got in at, which is the blue line. I got in here at the blue line, so it's like right here at the bottom, dude. I mean, you're not gonna be able to really beat that with a bat. So that blue line is the very bottom for me. Here's my stop losses right up under it though. I don't want it to come back down there. So here's what I'm gonna do. While it's floating in fucking profit, matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the one that's move these stop losses up. I'm not caring for them to come back. Don't get me wrong, they can come back, and yeah, I've seen them come back and stop me out because I moved my damn shit too early. So what I will do is I will take one off the table. I'm gonna take one off the table. I'm gonna take this one right here off the table, which is $14. I'm gonna take that one off the table, and I'm gonna leave the other two to run. So I'm gonna put both of them in profit if they come back and kick me out. They're gonna kick me out with nothing, with a little bit of plus percentage. So uh, that's cool. I can deal with that. We're just gonna let these two run. All right. So these guys. All right. NQ. NQ, bro. Let me check the 3 minute, 3 minute, and 3 minute. And they don't look like they want to get that London low, bro. All right. I got nothing on the 3 minute there. Let me check the 6 minute. Let me check the 6 minute real quick. 6 minute might give us something. I think we were setting up before. Oh yeah, 6 minute did set up, dude. Hold up. I think let's not miss this. This would be almost a damn 6 minute sell, dude. You see, there's a volume imbalance. Close of this candle is 72.75. The opener of this candle is 72.75. That could be considered a sweep. It's not good enough though. It's not good enough for me to take it. And if it is, I got to make sure it's the right one. So we got 11 o'clock high, 3 minute, 6 minutes. Let's check it out real quick. Yeah, I'm looking at the setup happening on the 3 minute currently. Just got to be careful because I don't have the volume imbalance or the fair value gap where I need it at. So I want to make sure I'm seeing exactly what I need to see before I pull this trigger. With that being said, on the 6 minute, I need to see the 1036 candle. 1036 candle gotta get swept or swept. This candle right here. 1036 candle. So I need YM, ES, or NQ to break the 1036 candle. Banger ass trades, bro. Now we just got to get over this intraday drawdown shit and get on the right side for the whole duration. We can't even hold trades. They want you to. You gotta penny pinch these darn things, bro. Catch your moves. How you catch them? You can't hold trades with this intradays. You gotta actually have a trailing drawdown. So it's like, what do you do? Horizontal. Hold on for one quick second. Let me set up this 6 minute chart on YM. You might go ahead and take the sell based on what YM does. We might be able to get into it to get the head down to London lows. We're still in the macro. So if YM can close under the fair value gap of the 1101 candle and the 1102 candle, I will take sales on NQ based on what YM does. So that's how the strategy works. Close 844, open 844. Oh shit, gold is still going, dude. My partner gold should have that other contract. Huh? It is what it is. Yeah, I gotta get those way down there, dude. Don't look like they want to give it to me though. I'll go back to the 6 minute. 3 minute. 3 minute. They did gap up again. Yeah, nobody closed up nobody closed up top yet for the 3 minute change of state, dude. So I'm waiting for a closure up there so they can sell it down. I got Trump selling the markets off right now though because of the 6 minute setup and also the 3 minute is still set up. We don't have anything set up to go to the top side as of yet. The only thing I can see set up the top side right now is we do have highs printed on the 6 minute. We do. I'm gonna share that tab real quick. We do have. Um, I got us possibly sweeping out London low. So this is the high that I'm looking at on the 6 minute. Every play is predicated on where it is on the EMA. So as of right now, I have nothing except YM going below this volume imbalance right here. I will take a sell off of that if it closes below this volume imbalance, and I will take the sell off of NQ. So I'll take it down to the. Hopefully, it stays in line with what it's supposed to do. We'll see what it's going to do. It don't look like it wants to close down there below it though. Quite possibly it will. I mean, hopefully it does. If it does, then yeah, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this. Oh, the chart ain't loaded up yet. Hurry up, load up, dude. Uh, yeah, it looks like it's still going up, Joe. So hold on, I'm still good. I got that. I got a 6 minute point of interest that they have not hit yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and take these sales on NQ. I'm gonna put 2 contracts, and I'm gonna put my stop loss above this high up here, the 1048 high. It's probably gonna run it. Hopefully it doesn't. Worst case scenario, the 1033 high is my count. So all right, so it's starting to move. It's let's see if it wants to keep on going though. This right here would be I really don't like having contracts. I mean, gold is still gonna do its thing. I'm gonna put one NQ on when it goes back to green. I'm gonna leave one NQ if it can come back real quick. I need both of them to turn back. All right, I'm out of one NQ. All right, I only got one run. Just in case the 6 minute wants to run these highs up here. It's only gonna be a $4 and some cent trade. $4 and some cents. Boom. And it's already up. I mean, I'm not playing with NQ this morning. We got news coming out this afternoon, so there's no need for me to do anything crazy. The gold contracts, they're taking off. Here's the gold. Here's what's going on with that real quick. You can see it's floating. It's floating in profit right now. Gold is up. The contracts that I did, one of them is up $18, one is up 19. So they're going to be floating. I may add one more NQ. It depends on what happens here. So I still got us going to take out London lows, and I still got us sweeping. Uh, yeah, we're gonna. I got us going down right now, bro. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting for that high right there to get swept on NQ or ES. Hold on, my first go. This high right here. That line right there needs to get swept on either ES, NQ, or YM. And when I say swept or sweep, I need a closure above it. But only one asset can close above it. Only one asset can close above it. Well, two assets can close above it, but somebody has to fail. So we need an SMT on that high in order for me to be interested. But they got to give that to me in order for me to get into the trade. So it is what it is. But that's a 3-minute change in state for me based on this right here. This low on the line, and then an immediate closure through it right there. So that is my SMT. And that is my PSP. PSP and SMT at the same time. So let's see if we can get that closure, bro. Gold is still fucking rocking, dude. That's my partner. Gold is my partner. No matter what happens, that was a good fucking trade, dude. Matter of fact, I ain't giving all that shit back. That shit up fucking down near $50 right now, dude. You know what? I'm not gonna be greedy. That's a good trade. I'm gonna take one of the gold contracts off and I'm gonna leave one running. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna bring this account back to where it needs to come to. Cause I damn near blew this account, dude, and now I'm coming back. It was down fucking 400, goddamn 400 and some change the other day, man. I was fucking fucked up, and then I've finally got this strategy figured out. Per se, kind of, sort of, not really, but still waiting for this 3-minute. We're in this macro still, dude. So let's see. Is somebody close back up? Nobody close back up. We still in. These sales are still good. I took the sales, so that'd be awesome if they could fail that right now. Yeah, YM is dropping. Yeah, YM is dropping. Hopefully, NQ follows. Nobody still slipped that out. I'm targeting London lows. I'm holding this. I'm gonna hold that trade, dude. 1109 high. I don't know what the hell they're doing right now, bro. I'm not no. I do know that Nasdaq trade is up currently, so I'm gonna just sit tight. I'm gonna sit tight, and I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm straight. We got to get this thing back right. I got something happening this afternoon. But either way, London is down low. They gave me the pattern on what I need to set up to go down, and I took the trade to where it was supposed to. Stop losses at the highest right here. I took it on my live account, so make sure I got that stop loss set. Make sure I ain't freaking crazy. Yes. Yeah, I got it set. Okay. I'm not gonna trail it closely because they still could potentially run those highs based on what we got going on. You know something? They could potentially do that. I'm gonna mind my business with that ass trade, and I'm gonna wait for the next move. Uh, they haven't took out the 6 minute yet, and I know it. So I'm gonna let them have it. Let them have London flows, dude. Maybe we'll start to go down as I get out the trade. Yeah, London lows right there. So I got Trump making the market move back up, so called making the market move back up after London lows get swept. Matter of fact, let me mark that out on the 3 minute chart. Right there. London lows, 3 minute chart. This is where we at. They're right there at it. So let's see what they want to do, bro. You still got that 6 minute setup to come down. So let's be aware that the overall narrative of the market is bearish. So uh, let's roll with what they give us first and foremost, because they may give us a 9 minute setup this afternoon to go down, and I'll take that instead of these 6 minutes and worrying about these 3 minutes. So let's see where ES is in relationship to London. Matter of fact, London has got swept already, bro, by ES. Definitely not YM. So let's see if they want to give us a change in the state of delivery first and foremost. Let me see. Let's see. And let's see if they can do it before and Q can get down there to get it. Yeah, we could have held. We could have held. It is what it is, bro. We took some bangers this morning, though, bro. I'm getting real proficient at this shit. So, all right, there we go. I got the 3 minute coming into the London low. I got ES already pretty much demolishing it. ES YM is not anywhere near it. So and yeah, I'm gonna be done at 11:30. This last macro will do me. So let's see if they want to hold it up real quick and head back up. And I'm gonna be off the live here in 1 second. This was a good day, bro. This is a good day. All right, let's see. Let's wait for a change in the state on ES real quick, dude. I'm gonna look down on the 30 second and see if they give it to us. It looks like they want to give it to us. Yeah, I just got into the Nasdaqs. So London low got swept. Um, they gave they gave me a change in the state based on another way I usually enter them. My stop losses is it's like 50% of the candle wick right there. You gotta think we're in the middle of nowhere as far as time goes. So um, see if they want to let this bitch out, bro. I'm up currently. I had put eight on originally. Um, I'm just gonna take have two running. I'm just gonna leave two running. And I'm gonna roll with that. Let me see how gold is doing over here. See if gold is still moving. See if it's come back down or if it's still going up. Um, we took a bang trade on gold. Let's see where it's at real quick. Gold. Yes, it's still going currently. I should have kept all those contracts on that shit. Would have been up about $400 by now, damn near. That's cool. I'm taking a banger ass trade, bro. That bitch up $25 on the contract. So I'm not gonna let it come all the way back on me. So I'm gonna move my stop loss up to add on a little bit more profit just in case it does. I don't care if it comes back. I just want some out of the deal. That's all. So it's up 24 right now. So I'll put it to 11 o'clock low, which should give me $5 if it fucking hits. I could move it up higher than that. Actually, go to 11.19 though. Matter of fact, I got more than enough. Let's take it to 11.19 now. That'll take us to like roughly 10, 11, 12, like $13. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it in with 13.50. That'll work right there. Maybe they'll offer us another entry. So 13.50 on that. That's a good fucking trade. All right. Hmm. That's it. And four. All right. Let's see what they want to do. Damn, this motherfucker turn around on my ass, bro. Freaking NQ, dude. I gotta stop fucking around with NQ. I put too many contracts on. Yeah, it's all right. Gold is still running. NQ, we probably wait this afternoon. I don't think I'll catch it this afternoon. I got a appointment this afternoon, so this right here will probably do me. We probably should have entered on that one that I found earlier, the one that I called earlier on the 3 minute. But it's cool, and we should have held it. I mean, because it has bounced. So yeah, I got a little noxious here, bro. I gotta slow down. I let my my greed take over today. Not really, because this can turn around real quick. Not today, maybe, but uh, these trades right here are bangers, bro. I'm just that's that trading that agree shit. So I know what's going on. So it pops up every now and then, and you know something, you got to roll with the punches and keep fighting them because you're not gonna get rid of them. You're not gonna get rid of the demons. So let them fucking roam. Let them fucking damn do what they gonna do, and then it is what it is, bro. But with that being said, uh, happy trading. I think that's gonna do me for the day. I'm not gonna take any more. Uh, if gold is gonna turn around, this is where it's gonna do it from. You got NQ already swept lows, so uh, yeah, just be careful and have an awesome, tremendous, stupendous, superb day as you should. All right. Peace and love, brothers and sisters.